Joe Beermaster, the Car Master here. Today I'm going to show you what a back street engine shop, a real engine shop, looks like in Philadelphia. All right. So they're doing two motors here, both of them. This is a real in the trenches type operation. Look at all these engines. And that's probably a month or maybe a month's worth of motor replacements. Is that cool or what? Some of these are motors ready to go to be put in. Some have already been replaced. There's the heads there. That one must have came out of a scrap yard. Look at all these parts. Cams, rods, pistons. It works. These guys are really good. Joe Beermaster, the Car Master. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.